everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you to make two things. We want to make eggs Benedict and we want to make eggs Florentine. Two popular breakfast dish for brunch. So what we need here, let's start. We need simmering water and we need a bowl. We need 3 egg yolk, and make sure when you put the bowl in the water, it doesn't touch the water. Always keep a distance between about 1 inch between the water and the bowl so it won't scramble the egg. So we're gonna start here. 3 egg yolk. Now I need my whisk. Whisk it a little bit. Now I want to add some fresh lemon juice. There we go. And a little bit of water. Now we'll put it here and we're gonna start whisking it. And make sure when you start whisking the egg yolk, don't stop because your eggs turn into scrambled eggs. So you just keep whisking till the eggs thicken a little bit, then we'll add the butter. So as you can see here, the eggs start, it takes about like 2 minutes, so the eggs start thicken a little bit here, the egg yolk. So now we're just gonna add a little bit salt and 1 cup melted butter, and you just start adding the butter a little bit at a time. Here we go. Voila. Hollandaise sauce almost ready, and I'm just gonna keep a little bit butter here for the frying pan here, because I'm gonna toast. What we're making here, we're making Canadian style eggs Benedict and eggs Florentine. So we're using Croissant instead of the English muffin. We're using a smoked meat instead the ham. Voila, let's put it on the side. Now let's work on our poached eggs. Poached eggs, just like a simmering water, not boiling water. Don't poach your eggs with the boiled water. Just bring it to simmer and you poach your eggs. Just one thing to add, I forgot to add. I add about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to the water. White vinegar helps the egg white to stay together, to stick into the egg yolk. Nice, here we go. Voila, that's what we need. Now I have the smoked meat. I'm gonna grill the smoked meat a little bit with this butter flavor right here. Beautiful. Let's bring our plates here. Smoked meat ready. Just gonna put them here. I'm gonna make one side Montreal style or a Canadian style eggs Benedict, and the other side I'm gonna make the eggs Florentine. So for the eggs Florentine, just a handful of spinach, and the spinach don't overcook it, don't kill it all the way, just halfway. Me personally, I rather to have raw spinach, like not cooked, but a lot of people like cooked spinach, so we'll do it halfway. Just a little flavor, little salt, and a little pepper. There we go. Doesn't take long. Spinach, good to go. Now for the eggs, about 2.5 minutes simmering. We will have it a medium poach. Now for the Hollandaise sauce, I have a little bit extra water here. If it's a little bit thick, you just add a little tiny bit water, give it a little sear, and beautiful, nice, good to go. Now I'm making the regular Hollandaise sauce, can be used for both of them, for the Montreal style eggs Benedict or the eggs Florentine, or you can use the regular one for the meat. And we're gonna add a few things to make for the Florentine. Our eggs ready to go here, so let's start with the first egg. Nice, here you go. Second one. For the smoked meat, the Montreal style eggs Benedict. And for the eggs Florentine, you can use the regular Hollandaise sauce, or you can add just about 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Give it a little mix. Brighten the color a little bit and give the flavor, the taste for the eggs Florentine. Here we go. A little bit decoration on the top, or if you have any fruit, doesn't hurt. I have some mango here I'm gonna use. Why not? Just have it, slice it raw, square or diamond shape, doesn't matter. Just give a little bit in the bottom and goes in the middle. Voila, here you go. Your Montreal style eggs Benedict and the eggs Florentine. It's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.